Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Apple Watch cannot pairing or cannot connecting on your iPhone in iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste our time. Before start this video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Please connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now we're applying this solution number two. The solution number two is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, enter your iPhone passcode, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now we move to another solution. Another solution is reset network setting. Tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, a little bit scroll up, tap on general. Again scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. Tap on reset network setting and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 4. The solution number 4 is check the iOS update. Simply tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. As you can see appears on screen, this iPhone has iOS 18 update. If you also have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. Make sure you are using iOS 18 and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we are applying this solution number 5. The solution number 5 is check the app update. Simply go to the App Store. As you can see appears on screen. Search here Apple Watch. Tap on it. As you can see appears on screen, this application has latest update. If you have any pending update, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we applying the solution number 6. The solution number 6 is reset all settings. Tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen, little bit scroll up, tap on general. Little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings, restart your iPhone, wait 5 to 10 seconds and fix your problem. If solution number 6 is not working, now we applying the solution number 7. Solution number 7 is open the watch app, close it now and open again and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem, or visit the nearest iPhone store to authorize the dealer and fix your problem. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Apple Watch not working or cannot pairing on your iPhone in iOS 18 update fix. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.